this, man. I made 2 videos so far responding to the copyright strike and the threatening emails that I've been getting from Digital Soapbox and this particular lawyer. And I was afraid to read them because I thought that it might be illegal to, release into the public sphere a legal document that's threatening you. But I just hit my boy up and I asked him, hey, can I read this thing? Make a video on YouTube and publicly release it? And he was like, yeah, just try to cover up names and stuff like that. But I'm going to keep it raw with you. Alright? This is an attorney for James McDonald and Digital Soapbox Network on behalf of Norman Steele. It's been brought to our attention that you've been spreading inflammatory rhetoric regarding our clients, insinuating that Reggie Wright Jr. or Reggie Wright Sr. introduced him to the FBI. They don't even say him, they say the former. Meaning former, like former and latter, so that means they're talking about James. This is incendiary language of the utmost degree. If you continue to make these specific allegations regarding our client being introduced to the FBI via Reggie Sr. or Jr., we will take immediate action beyond the simple infractions of YouTube strikes. Thank you. Also, if you learned of this information from a particular source, we can negotiate an end to hostilities if you simply forward that person's name to this address. What? Alright, look, this is my response to y'all. I don't know if you guys are playing some type of game with me. I don't know if this is a legitimate lawyer or not, but Mob James and Digital Soapbox Network and Reggie Wright, I've got 300 subscribers. I'm trying to build my channel up. I'm not making any money from this channel, and even if I do pop off, I'm not going to charge any money. I'm not going to ask for donations. I'm just going to make videos for fun. Look, I don't understand this. I've made at least 10 videos about Reggie Wright, Mob James, and the whole snitching ordeal, and they've all had thousands of views. They're my most popular videos. They always go viral because it's a hot topic. And you guys have never given me any grief over that. So why are you guys emailing me, threatening me, and sending these apparent lawyer letters? I don't know if these are real or fake. Simply because I said Reggie Wright Jr. or Reggie Wright Sr. introduced the man, Mob James, to the FBI. I mean, why is that, why is that the point of no return for you guys? Why is it that I can talk about this, I can talk about that, but as soon as I start talking about Reggie Wright or Reggie Wright Sr. introducing Mob James to the FBI, you guys are copyright striking me, you're sending me these various letters and stuff like that, and my email is public on my YouTube channel, so they have my email, so this is my response to y'all. I'm not going to give you the name of anybody who told me this information because nobody gave me that information. I'm just putting 2 and 2 together. It's called an educated guess. If you know that somebody's been in law enforcement their entire lives and they've retired from law enforcement and they're considered to be a legendary, iconic gang unit cop, he wasn't just a regular cop. Reggie Wright Sr. was a captain. He was like the boss. He trained all the regular cops, and they all have high respect for him. They used to hold ceremonies for Reggie Wright Sr. because he was that good of a cop. He's like Compton's cop. This guy, there were other states, gang units, would call him and he would train them. He would go all the way to North Carolina or wherever to train the gang units because he was that good. And this guy lived right next door to Mob James for 50 years. So I'm just saying, Reggie Wright Jr., his son was in law enforcement. It's logical. You guys obviously have to know some FBI agents because you work in conjunction with them. So what the hell? It's just an assumption. But you see how these guys are going at a simple guy like me. 300 subscribers. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. What are you trying to hide, Reggie?